Ever gaze up at the sky on a clear day and wonder why it's blue, or why the sun seems to shine a warm, inviting yellow? Well, these are not just random colors, but the result of a fascinating interplay of sunlight and our Earth's atmosphere. You see, sunlight, though perceived as white, is actually a spectrum of various colors, each with its own unique wavelength. These colors range from red, with the longest wavelength, to violet, with the shortest. Now, when this sunlight reaches Earth, it interacts with the molecules and tiny particles in our atmosphere. Among these colors, blue and violet light have shorter wavelengths and are scattered in all directions more than other colors as they travel through the atmosphere. This scattering of light is what paints our sky blue. Interestingly, violet light is scattered more than blue, but our eyes are more sensitive to blue light and less sensitive to violet light. So, the sky appears blue because of the way Earth's atmosphere interacts with sunlight, but what about the sun? Why does it appear yellow? The sun, our ever-present daylight companion, exudes a yellow glow, but did you know it is not actually yellow? In reality, the sun emits light of all colors, a radiant rainbow spectrum, if you will. Yet to us, it appears predominantly as yellow. This color illusion is courtesy of our Earth's atmosphere and a little principle known as Rayleigh scattering. Rayleigh scattering dictates that shorter wavelengths of light, the blues and violets, are scattered in all directions more than other colors as they travel through the Earth's atmosphere. This scattering pulls the blue and violet light out and away from our direct line of sight. What remains for our eyes to perceive are the longer wavelengths, the reds, oranges, and yellows. These colors continue on their undeterred path to our eyes, making the sun appear as the familiar yellow orb we see in our sky. So, in essence, the sun appears yellow because its shorter wavelength colors are being scattered out by the Earth's atmosphere. So, we've unraveled the mystery of our blue sky and yellow sun, all thanks to the science of light. Let's recap what we've learned. Our sky dons a blue robe due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. This occurs when our atmosphere scatters short wavelength light, like blue and violet, across the sky. It's like an artist sweeping their brush across a canvas, spreading blue all over. Now, why does our sun appear yellow, you ask? Well, as the sun's light passes through Earth's atmosphere, short wavelength light is scattered in every direction. This scattering process leaves behind the long wavelength light, which includes colors like red, orange, and yellow. These colors then travel directly to our eyes, making the sun appear yellow to us. And there you have it, a simple explanation to a question that might have tickled your curiosity. The next time you look up at the sky, you'll know a little more about the beautiful spectacle you're seeing.